Good morning, all of you. After a long time, we are meeting here. So, now today we are going to understand unit number 3 in English and CRT, standard 7. Chapter number is 3, and name of the chapter is Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. Okay, this have you ever read a comic book? A comic book contains stories told mainly through the pictures. So यहाँ पर हम ये स्टोरी पढ़ेंगे पिक्चर वाइज. ओके. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. Fishmonger sold nothing but Hilsa fish. So obviously, if the season was about the Hilsa fish, then all the people always talk about the Hilsa fish. So यहाँ पर भी हिल्सा फिश का सीजन था, तो सब लोग ओनली हिल्सा फिश के बारे में ही बात कर रहे थे. फिश मोंगर सोल्ड नथिंग बट हिल्सा फिश. जो फिश मोंगर मतलब द पर्सन हु सेल्स द फिश, दे यूज टू टॉक अबाउट और सेल अबाउट द हिल्सा फिश नथिंग. कम बाय द प्राइस of Hilsa fish down today. So fishmonger loudly spreading his voice that okay, today the price of the Hilsa fish is very low cost, so you can buy it easily. Householder could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. Householder मतलब गृह उद्योग चलाने वाले जो लोग होते वो भी बोलते थे कि प्लीज buy this Hilsa fish. Okay. How much did you pay for this Hilsa fish? So यहाँ पर one of the ladies says that what is the expense you have paid for this Hilsa fish? Then one of the person replied, you wouldn't believe if I told you. आप विश्वास नहीं करोगे अगर मैं आपको इसके दाम बताऊंगा तो. And in the palace, two the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. So in the palace of king, all the people who were there in the kingdom, they also used to talk about only Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught it was. So one of the courtiers said to the king, one day I have brought one of the Hilsa fish. Did you observe? Now look at the reaction of the king. Stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? So यहाँ पर जो king होता है वो गुस्सा हो जाता है और बोलता है Are you a courtier or a fisherman? The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. Why did king feel guilty? Because earlier he was loudly shouting at the courtier that stop talking about the Hilsa fish. Don't you have other matter to talk? But later on, king was felt guilty and realized his mistake. I am sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa fish and no one. फिर किंग को दिल एकदम बैड फील होता है और कहता है आई एम सॉरी, मैं अपना गुस्सा खो गया था इसीलिए मैंने आपको चिल्लाया. नॉट इवन गोपाल कैन स्टॉप एनी वन फ्रॉम टॉकिंग अबाउट हिल्सा फिश. तो किंग सेड क्या गोपाल भी हिल्सा फिश की जो बातचीत होती है वो ख़त्म नहीं कर सकता? नॉट इवन फॉर 5 मिनट्स. क्या 5 मिनट के लिए भी कोई हिल्सा फिश के बारे में बात नहीं कर सकता? ऐसा हो सकता है? गोपाल से ओह आई थिंक आई कुड योर मैजेस्टी. गोपाल अग्री दैट एंड से दैट ओह आई कुड, मैं कर सकता हूँ. Then let me see you buy a huge Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. Then the king had thrown the challenge to the Gopal that you must bring the Hilsa fish in the palace. And the challenge was that no one talk about Hilsa fish over there. Then what happened? The Gopal accepted the challenge and said, I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. A few days later, why is your face half shaven? Then the wife of the Gopal asked to the Gopal, why is your face half shaven? Means why did you not complete your complete shave? And why did you leave it without shave? Gopal replied, I am dressing up to buy a fish. Because Gopal wanted to bring that fish from the market and let into the palace. That is why he answered to his wife that I am dressing up to buy a fish. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? Now, wife of Gopal was angry and said, what's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? So what incident happened with you? Or what is the matter that you do this thing? Gopal replied, I told you, I am dressing up to buy a hilsa fish. So Gopal was irritated and again he was answering that, I told you already that I am dressing up to buy a hilsa fish. Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in this disgraceful rages. What are you up to? So you can see the picture here of wife of Gopal that she was angry and she is telling that, listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rages. What are you up to? Rages matlab torn clothes. Obviously, any wife doesn't like his or her husband if he wears a bad cloth and visit into the market. Is it true? Yes. Gopal replied, how many times must I tell you, woman, I am out of to buy a huge hilsa fish. Then Gopal was angry too much and replied, how many times I tell you that? Do not ask me such question again. I told you once that I need to buy a fish from the market. That's why I am getting this dress up. So why did you repeat your question again and again? Then replied from the Gopal's wife like that, it's happened to him. He's gone mad. So thinking of the Gopal's wife was like that, he was gone mad. That's why he did such things. Gopal brought the hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. So now, finally, Gopal bought a hilsa fish from the market, starting or moving through the market. You can see the picture that all the people were looking at him and saying something from that crowd. One of the boys said, Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? So one of the boy thought that this person is very comedy. Okay. And I think he's mad or comical. One of the persons said from that group, he must be a madman. कहता शायद वो पागल है. Second person say, hush, I think he is a mastic. When Gopal reached the court, what do you want? So this question was asked by the guard who was standing in front of the gate of the palace. What do you want? Gopal replied, I want to see the king. So here Gopal went over there and he replied that I want to see or I want to meet the king. But here the guard made him to stop, that not to enter in the palace. You can't see the king. Get away with you. So here Gopal the guard say that you should not enter in the palace. Please go away from here. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. So here Gopal did something new. And strangely he was dancing and singing out of the palace. Inside the palace, the king The man is crazy. Throw him out at once. So here king replied that this man is crazy, so let him go outside. Don't let him into the palace. I want to see the king. Let me in. Gopal said, I want to see the king. मुझे king को देखना है. Let me in. Then with angriness, king said, bring that man to me at once. Your Majesty. Guard says, Your Majesty, I will bring, no problem. Gopal was brought before the king. It's a Gopal. Now Gopal was allowed to enter into the palace, and he was standing in front of the courtiers and the king. One of the courtiers was shocked or surprised and said, it's a Gopal. The man has lost his mind. One of the courtiers said, the man has lost his mind, means that man is mad. Or another person says, I think it's one of his crazy jokes. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? The king replied or asked in an angriness behavior. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Gopal replied politely, Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. So here, the Gopal was trying to remember something by the king and said that, King, you have forgotten something, so remember, you will get the idea. Forgotten something? So here king was surprisingly thinking something. Now replied from the Gopal like that. Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. So Gopal said that you didn't observe that from the market to here, no one talk about the Gopal fish. No one talk about the Hilsa fish. Even Saul didn't talk about the Hilsa fish. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. After understanding or after getting all this idea from the Gopal, he came to know that and remember that the challenge which he had thrown to the Gopal. Ha ha ha. Well, Gopal, congratulations. You have achieved the impossible once again. So Gopal was congratulated by the king that he was he completed the unsuccessful work and changes into the successful work, and whatever were impossible for other, he did it possible. So this was the smartness of Gopal.